Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money on Clickbank using and leveraging free traffic sources. And this is a brand new release. This is something that I haven't shown to the marketplace before in this amount of depth. So if you're excited to learn how to promote Clickbank products for free without paying any money out of pocket and make money consistently doing it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Now, you might know about my previous video where I talk about Clickbank being dead or slowly dying. Obviously, Clickbank's not dead, but there are better options out there when it comes to building an income and making money online. So I would log into my Clickbank account, but I haven't been promoting anything on Clickbank. I've been promoting independent products that give you higher commissions, that will pay you a higher amount and pay you really what you're worth for the work that you put in. Some of these products actually pay up to 100% commissions. So in that previous video, I show you why I decided to transition from Clickbank products primarily to independent products. But again, it doesn't mean that Clickbank does not work. It's just that there are better options out there right now. So what I want to do is I want to first show you some proof, and then I want to show you this method and show you that this method works for anything that you're promoting out there. Whether you're promoting Clickbank products or independent products now like I am, this will work for anybody. So I'm actually logged in here into my merchant account. Let me go ahead and refresh this page, and I'm going to show you the results just from the last month in this one income stream, this one merchant account here. So I'm going to go back from April 1st to April 30th. And you can see that last month I did 51,000. If it lets me zoom in here, it looks like it won't. Sometimes it could be. There we go. So last month I did $51,218.48. This month so far, of course, from the 1st of May to the 4th of May, $2,501.78. And by the way, you guys, this will work whether it be 2019, 2020, 2022. This is a formula I've been using for the past 5 years online, and it continues to work day in and day out. This is going to give you the most leverage for the amount of work that you put in. Now, in one of my last videos, I talked about how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links and small YouTube channels. I'm going to show you in this video how to take that formula and pretty much put it on steroids. So if you haven't checked out that video, this video is going to make a lot more sense. So I will put that video as well in the description below, or you can see it in the card above. So essentially, once you have a channel built, once you're putting out content, what we want to do is we want to redistribute this content. We want to take that content, we want to take the transcription of that content, and we want to turn it into a blog post. So not only are you going to be able to drive traffic from YouTube, but you're also going to be able to drive traffic from Google search engine. So let me show you an example here. And you can feel free to go type this into Google right now, just to prove to you guys that this isn't skewed results. This is actually where I'm really ranking right now. Let me actually pull up an incognito window so I don't look like an idiot. So I show you guys that this is in fact where I am ranking. So if I type in, it was automated website, okay, automated website. And yeah, you can see it right here. So cool. Whenever you want to look at your true results, whether it be on YouTube or Google, make sure you open up an incognito window. And again, you can simply just go to File on Chrome and select New Incognito Window. Nonetheless, you can see that I'm ranked number 1 right here. These are all paid ads right here. So everybody is paying to be ranked at the top here. I'm right here, ranked number 1 in the organic search results. I'm also ranked number 3 for the actual video. So what I did is I took this video, okay, how to make $300 per day with automated websites, published about a year ago or so, over 87,000 views. What I did is I took the transcription, and what you could do is you can click the little 3 dots right here and go to Open Transcription, and it's going to pull it up right here. Now we want to eliminate all these timestamps right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select Toggle Timestamps, and then we're going to copy this, and we can throw it on a page, right? We can throw it on our website. If you guys don't know how to set up a website, you don't know how to set up a blog, there is plenty of videos out there on YouTube that show you how to do that. So feel free to browse on YouTube or Google to figure that out. I used GoDaddy as my hosting for my domain. And then what they did is they set up a WordPress for me. They installed WordPress for me. It's very, very easy to do. So you don't have to like upload FTP files. You don't have to use an FTP client, anything like that. You don't have to deal with all the technical jargon. It's very step by step. So if you want to set up WordPress on GoDaddy, just go to Google and type in WordPress GoDaddy hosting, and it'll walk you through the whole entire process. So essentially what I did is I took that video and I took the transcription and I pasted it as a blog post. And then I went through it and I proofread it and I edited it. So it doesn't sound like somebody is talking. It actually sounds like a well-written article. Now, money likes speed. So you don't have to like make sure that the punctuation and grammar is like 100% correct. I never do that. I do the best that I can. I might have somebody proofread it if I've hired somebody in-house that can go through all my articles and proofread them. You could do that too as well. But what I've noticed is most people that come to your blog, most of them will watch the video. Some of them will obviously read the article. So make it the best that you can, but it doesn't need to be perfect, especially if you're brand new, you don't have a budget, you don't have a lot of money. This whole entire process does not require money for you to get started. To shoot the video, you obviously just need your web camera. You might need a smartphone. You don't need a microphone or any of that complicated tech stuff. When I got started, I just used the web camera on my Mac. And then you simply just talk into the camera, take that video, upload it, and then take the transcription. Now the transcription from YouTube, their software that they use isn't going to be 100% correct. So that's why you're going to want to go through it. You're going to want to proofread it and then pretty much kind of rewrite the article or make edits, I would say, as you go. So once you do that, then what I did is I took the actual video, I embedded it on the website, and then I have a little link here where people can actually go back to the video over here and watch the video on YouTube. So embedding your video, number one, on your blog, and then having a link that goes out to your video will help rank both your video and your article at the top of the search engines. And that's why you're seeing me rank so highly right here. I didn't do any backlinking or whatsoever. I didn't do any black hat, SEO with this specific article. But as we scroll down here, you can see that I have various links. Check out my number one recommendation here. Then I have the link here once again, and I've sprinkled it a few times because a purpose of a blog isn't just to get people to consume your content, but you also want them to click your links and go through your sales funnels and buy your affiliate products. So essentially what you can do is this, right? And I've got it mapped out right here for you. So what you would do is you would send people from the blog post. I'm just going to click this right here. And then you would send them to an opt-in page. That's the first step right here. What they're going to do is they're going to fill out their name and email address. Then they're going to go to what's called the thank you page. The thank you page thanks them for filling out their information, lets them know when they can get access to that information, and then basically says, hey, by the way, if you would like to check out XYZ offer, it's going to teach you this, this, and this, click the link below, go over and check it out. And that's where you can actually link your Clickbank offer, on the thank you page, and then send them straight to the offer. And then what you can do is you can have email follow-ups in case they don't buy the offer on the first time. You'll have follow-ups that go out to them frequently that entice them, that build a relationship with them and get them to buy, right? So if I was to show you this live, it's going to look a little bit something like this. So they're going to click the Get Instant Access button right here. They're going to fill out their information. They're going to go to the thank you page that I just talked about. And then you'd have your Clickbank affiliate link right here. And this would go straight to that offer. Now, in this case, once again, I'm promoting an independent offer. And so, obviously your offer is going to be different. If you want access to the same offer and you want to promote higher priced products that will pay you more so you can work less and make up to $2,000 per sale based off of one blog post or one video versus having to make hundreds or, even thousands of sales in some case to make the equivalent of that type of money, then go ahead and click the link below and you can feel free to check that out. Also, here was another video example. So what I did recently, just on May 2nd, 2019, is I created this video on the best way to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. So this is a search phrase, aka a keyword that I want to rank for. So what I did is I went over here, I opened the transcription, I went ahead and I toggled the timestamps, I went ahead and I copied this, and boom, I threw it up as a blog post right here. And this took me about 20, maybe 30 minutes to do. And I followed the same exact formula, embedded, linked back to the video here. And then I have my call to actions throughout here. So very easy to do. You can see that this flows the same way that the video does, just made some edits, and that's how it's done. And what I want to do is I want to show you exactly how I was able to find what I'm ranking for in Google search engine. So what I did is I used a keyword tool called Moz Keyword Explorer. Okay, and this is going to be the link right here, moz.com/explorer. And then it'll take you to this page. You'll have to just log in and create a free account. And you can do that in the top right-hand corner. Obviously, I'm already logged in here. But once you do that, you're going to go to root domain, and then you're going to enter in your domain. In my case, it's joshelder.com. I'm going to select search. And then boom, it's going to show me just a few keywords that I'm ranking for right here. And then I can select all right here, see all ranking keywords. It's going to take me to this page, and you can actually see all the keywords that I'm ranking for. So what I'm doing with all these keywords, and a keyword is just a search phrase that's typed into Google or YouTube. What I'm doing is I'm creating the video first, and then I'm taking the transcription of that video and I'm placing it on a blog, and then I'm embedding the video on that blog, and then I'm having various calls to actions, getting people to go over to my website where I can capture that name and email address, send them to the thank you page, and then obviously send them straight to the offer and follow up with them through email. So this is how you kill two birds with one stone. Instead of just doing YouTube marketing, you can take all those efforts and spend an extra 20 minutes or so a day and take that transcription, edit it, make sure that it reads well, and then optimize it for SEO purposes. Once again, I've got some videos on this channel that talk about YouTube SEO. If you want to learn more about Google SEO and how to rank articles and blogs, where to have headings, where to underline certain phrases, internal linking, backlinking, all that stuff. Once you learn SEO, it's actually quite simple. A lot of the jargon sounds complicated, but once you learn it, it's very, very easy. So if you want to learn more about that, you can just simply search on Google or YouTube, SEO tips, how to rank articles, how to rank websites. I know my buddy Neil Patel, if you go to neilpatel.com, I know he's got tons of articles that teach you, search engine optimization. So you can even type in Neil Patel SEO in the search engine. Use Google. Google is your best friend. So if there's maybe some gaps that you're seeing in this video, the purpose of this video is just to show you guys this formula. If I showed you everything, obviously this video would be super, super long. So if you're interested in learning a lot more of this stuff, right, in complete detail, you can obviously go out there and search on the internet and put all the pieces together. But if you would like a mentor like myself to help you put all this together, to help you find the right products, right, to help you create the right campaigns, help you find what keywords to go for, what keywords to rank for, the difference between a buyer keyword and just a keyword where somebody's just searching around, dipping their toe in the water, right? You typically want to catch people at the end of their search. You want to target people that are ready to buy, that have the credit card in hand, and that's exactly what I show you how to do. So it could be very easy to make this stuff work, and it could be very easy to mess this stuff up. So if you want to learn all this stuff in complete detail, you can feel free to check out one of my programs below, one of my top recommended programs. As a bonus, I'm going to give you access to my YouTube traffic training, which shows you the SEO part of YouTube, and also how to, build your subscriber base through the suggested video section, as well as many other methods. Without further ado, go ahead and click the links in the description below to learn more about how you can partner with me. And don't forget to subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.